Witness the raw power of modern forestry. Feel the seismic tremor of engines, the sharp report of falling timber, and the awe-inspiring sight of ancient giants yielding to precision steel. This is logging evolved. Trees are forces of nature, capable of immense destruction.
Holy I'm glad we got that on tape. Holy I got a boner. Jesus Christ.
A falling tree can behave in ways you'd never expect. Always have a clear path to safety when working around them. Tractor operators are the unsung heroes, braving daily risks to deliver the wood we depend on. Can you believe it? And make sure you've got a clear escape route. This guy's going in blind. That's a recipe for disaster. That's some serious driving skill. Handling those grades with that much payload takes precision and a deep understanding of vehicle dynamics. The driver clearly knew their stuff, and that truck Years of experience go into every cut, maximizing efficiency and minimizing waste. That's true craftsmanship. Clearly, neither the operator nor the machine were prepared for the tree's persistent offensive. Results over bells and whistles? This is the clear choice. Whoa, not sure I trust this guy with the chainsaw. Taking down a tree is serious business. You need someone who knows what they're doing.
Mason! If you're gonna throw it hard enough to break it.
This incident underscores the vital role of proper safety gear in hazardous workplaces. Whoa there, Cowboy LKT-81. I know you want to get it done fast, but let's think smart. Two trips might seem slower, but it's way safer for you and the machine. Trust me, playing it safe saves time and money in the long run. Whoa, did you see that? This little guy just took down a whole tree. This is sure to amaze you, and maybe give you a little scare too. All right, everyone, let's dive in. It's a classic showdown, man versus nature. The K700's a powerhouse, no question, but that tree's been holding its ground for ages. Who's taking the win? No clue, but it's gonna be epic to see. On a scale of 1 to 10, with 1 being playing it safe and 10 being utterly reckless, this Husqvarna just eats through that log. But here's the thing, it's not just about raw power. It's got to be comfortable to use all day long, right? And this one is. Lightweight ergonomic design. They really thought about the user with this one. This TATA-1212 Want to see efficiency in action? Check out this Hitachi Zaxxas 200. That ripper tooth digs deep, gets the job done fast, and saves fuel while doing it. Talk about a win-win. The John Deere 1110D encountered severe traction issues in the muddy terrain. Whoa, things just got real. Can he pull this off? I'm on the edge of my seat. Stick around, you won't believe what happens next.
Oh, man.
Wow, shaky ground and strong winds. That's a disaster waiting to happen. Good thing you got lucky this time. That's an impressive load. The skidder seems almost dwarfed by the sheer volume of timber. This incident clearly demonstrates the unpredictable nature of these environments. Whether by skill or chance, the driver managed to avoid what could have been a catastrophic outcome. Wow, did you see that? Talk about a close call. I'm so glad he was wearing his safety gear. It keeps our creativity alive and thriving. The Raver WD-1400 debarker stands out with its ability to handle logs of all sizes and wood types. Its optical detection ensures precision, while smooth speed control and minimal downtime boost efficiency. A top pick for... But seriously, let's talk safety for a minute. What precautions are we taking here? Efficiency reigns supreme in biomass, and the Gen's HEM 593R leads the way with a stunning 300 liters per hour capacity. Its 1.4 meter intake and 3-axle truck compatibility supercharge productivity. Perfect for anything from small heating plants to massive biomass operations. Precision planting, reduced soil disturbance, optimized efficiency, it's the future of reforestation in your hands. Witness the raw power of the Volvo FH16650. Built for extreme conditions, it conquers blizzards with unmatched traction and control. a true testament to cutting-edge heavy-duty technology, delivering peak performance and safety in the harshest terrains. But hold on, only the best can tame this monster. Are you up for the challenge? Oh no! If you found this video insightful and valuable, let me know by leaving a 1 in the comments. Your feedback is crucial for my future content creation. If that adrenaline high has you craving more, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. We're always breaking boundaries with incredible machines and epic challenges. Don't miss out. Stay bold, and we'll see you next time.